Why do hiccups seem random and harmless when your body is actually triggering a reflex on purpose? Most people think hiccups just happen for no reason, but that's not really true. You see, hiccups start when a nerve that controls breathing gets irritated, causing the diaphragm to suddenly tighten, and your throat snaps shut right after, creating that hic sound. So what's really happening? I'll explain. But if you don't want this to happen to your hand, hit like, subscribe, and share this now. Hiccups are just a brief misfire in your nervous system, often linked to eating too fast or sudden changes in temperature. And once the nerves settle down, the reflex fades.